Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are Group BA27348 and today we will be presenting our case study for HRM645, which is Change and Organisation Development. So, our selected company is Grab with the presentation title The Everyday Everything App. So now I will present to you our group members. The first one is Nur Amira binti Muhammad Faizal, Natasha Inta Putri binti Naim, Nur Izani Putri binti Muhammad Zaidin, Nur Alia Farhana binti Hazhari, and Nur Kadatul Anissa binti Arwansyah. So let's begin our presentation.
So now let's begin with the background of the company. Grab was founded in 2012 by Anthony Tan and Tan Hai Ling in Malaysia, and its headquarters is now located in Singapore. So initially, Grab started as a ride-hailing application that aimed to provide a safer and more convenient transportation. So over time, it's expanded into one of Southeast Asia's leading super apps by offering services such as Grab Food, Grab Express, Grab Pay, and financial service. So today, Grab operates in several Southeast Asian countries including Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Its rapid growth has been supported by increasing smartphone usage, higher internet penetrations, and the growth of the digital economy. And another important factor behind Grab's success is its localization strategy. Instead of using the same approach in every country, Grab adapts its service based on local needs. For example, it offers cash payment options in countries where cash is commonly used, and motorcycle ride-hailing service where motorcycles are popular mode of transportation. Now, I will explain why Grab is selected for our case study. Grab is an excellent example of how a technology company successfully transformed from a rapid business expansion into a profitable and sustainable organization. Looking at its performance trend in 2022, Grab recorded 35.7 million monthly transaction users, which represent a 27% year-on-year increase. So this shows that more customers were using a Grab service and its super app ecosystem was becoming more popular. In 2023, Grab captured approximately 55% of Southeast Asia's food delivery market and achieved a positive adjusted EBITDA for the first time. This milestone powered that Grab was hired to balance a business growth with better operational efficiency and financial performance. Moving to 2024, Grab improved its delivery operation through initiatives such as batching order and saver delivery. At the same time, company reduced promotion and incentive spending, helping improve efficiency and support sustainable in long-term growth. So in 2025, Grab achieved its first full-year net profit of 200 million US. So this was a major achievement because it confirmed the company's successful transformation from a fast-growing startup into a financially sustainable business. Finally, in the first quarter of 2026, Grab reported a 20% year-on-year revenue growth, driven by a higher demand across its mobility, deliveries, financial service, and advertising segments. So, this demonstrates that Grab continues to grow even in a more competitive and mature digital market. This achievement clearly explains why Grab was chosen to our case study.
One of the major organizational development issues faced by Grab in the post-pandemic era was sustaining a profitable and sustainable business model after experiencing rapid growth during COVID-19. During the pandemic, demand for services such as food delivery, ride-hailing, online payments, and logistics increased significantly. This allowed Grab to expand rapidly and strengthen its position as a leading super app across Southeast Asia. However, rapid growth did not automatically lead to profitability. Despite gaining millions of users, Grab continued to face financial pressure because it spent heavily on customer promotion, driver incentive, technology infrastructure, regional expansion, and digital payment system. These high operating costs became a major concern when demand for delivery services began to stabilize after the pandemic, while competition in the digital platform industry remained intense. At the same time, investors started expecting companies to focus more on profitability and cost efficiency rather than continuous expansion. As a result, Grab had to shift from a growth-focused strategy to a sustainability-focused strategy. created an important organizational development challenge because the company needed to transform from a fast-growing startup into a more financially disciplined organization. Grab had to rethink its priorities, improve operational efficiency, and balance growth with long-term profitability. Therefore, the challenge was not only financial but also organizational, as it required significant changes in strategy, leadership, and business operations.
Next, we move to how the first issue was overcome. To address high operating costs and the pressure to achieve profitability, Grab implemented several strategic initiatives to build a more sustainable and profitable business model. First, reducing incentive and promoting spending. Grab reduced customer promotion and incentive as a percentage of gross merchandise value, or GMV. This lower spending improved market health, reduced overall operating costs, and directly improved profitability. The second one is improve operational efficiency. They optimized operation and streamlined costs across the organization. This was achieved by optimizing delivery operation through features like batching order or server delivery, which reduced regional corporate costs and improved resource allocation. The next one is focus on profitable growth. Grab shift its focus from rapid expansion to sustainable and profitable growth. They prioritized cost efficiency over aggressive expansion and invested specifically in high potential segments with strong unit economics. The last one is strengthen business performance. This initiative collectively improved Grab financial performance and long-term sustainability. So, the result is the strategy led to a more sustainable business model with a stronger balance between growth and profitability. Most significantly, Grab achieved adjusted EBITDA profitability in 2023, resulting in improved financial performance, better cost efficiency, and improved margins.
For the second issue, I will discuss how Grab faced challenge in adapting to post-COVID consumer behavior and digital transformation. After the COVID-19 pandemic, consumer behavior changed significantly. Customers became more dependent on digital platforms and preferred contactless, faster, and more convenient service in their daily activities. As shown in the slide, there was a major increase in demand for food delivery service, online transaction, and e-wallet payment system. Consumers also expect platform to provide seamless and user-friendly digital experience. Based on the data shown, Grab achieved around 55% market share in the Southeast Asian food delivery industry, while monthly transacting users increased significantly after the pandemic. This proved that consumers rely more on digital platforms and online service in their daily life. Because of this change, Grab faced several organizational challenges. Their traditional ride-hailing service alone were no longer enough to satisfy changing market demand. The company had to quickly adapt its business model and accelerate digital transformation in order to stay competitive in the Southeast Asian market. Besides that, Grab also faced challenges in managing digital innovation, improving operational efficiency, and integrating multiple digital services into one ecosystem. The company needed to continuously upgrade its technology and improve customer experience to meet increasing consumer expectations. Overall, this issue highlights how post-pandemic digital trend forced Grab to transform its operation, technology, and service in order to remain relevant and competitive. Before discussing CIMB resilience and competitiveness, it is important to explain why CIMB was selected for this case study. CIMB was chosen because it is one of Malaysia's leading banking group and has demonstrated a strong commitment to workforce development and digital transformation. The organization has consistently invested in employee learning, digital capabilities, and future workforce readiness, making it a suitable example for analyzing the relationship between reskilling, human capital, and competitive advantage. In addition, despite facing challenges such as the COVID-19 pandemic, economic uncertainty, and rapid technological change, CIMB has maintained a strong position in the banking industry. This ability to adapt and sustain performance reflects organizational resilience and demonstrate
how CMB remain competitive in the changing business environment.
Next, I will discuss the effectiveness of the actions taken by Grab. First, the Super App strategy was highly effective in strengthening Grab's market position. By integrating transportation, food delivery, and financial services into a single platform, Grab increased user engagement and customer retention. This contributed to Grab achieving a 55% market share in Southeast Asia's food delivery market 2023. The C360 data platform also enabled better customer targeting and personalized services. For the second point, Grab demonstrated strong financial and operational performance through cost optimization and a shift towards sustainable growth. The company achieved adjusted EBITDA profitability in 2023. Operational improvements such as batching orders and saver delivery reduced the cost, while the mobility segment continued to grow, recording a 27% increase in both monthly transacting users and gross merchandise value. Now, move on to the third point, where Grab's localization strategy helped it outperform competitors in different markets. Accepting cash payments increased adoption among unbanked users. GrabBuy effectively addressed traffic congestion in Indonesia, and Grab Express successfully supported the Vietnam's rapidly growing e-commerce sector. Finally, for the last point, Grab's digital and partnership strategies improve both users and driver experiences. Features such as auto accept increased driver productivity, while partnership with banks and the acquisition of Udo promoted financial inclusion. Collaborations with Lazada and Jakarta's public transport system further enhanced logistic efficiency and urban mobility. Overall, these strategies strengthen the Grab's competitiveness, profitability, and long-term sustainability.
Lastly, let's move to the conclusions. Grab journey show that a long-term success depends on adaptation, innovation, and strategic focus. There are 5 key lessons we can learn from Grab. First, localization drives customer adoptions by understanding local needs. Second, a super app ecosystem creates a greater value by integrating multiple services in one platform. Third, profitability and operational efficiency are essential for sustainable growth. And fourth, digital innovation including artificial intelligence, data platform like Customer 360, and automation help improve business performance. Finally, strong partnership and a clear organizational purpose help build trust and long-term customer loyalty. So, this lesson can also be applied by other organizations. Companies should put people at the center of change, encourage continuous innovation, focus on sustainable growth, building a strong partnership, and always lead with a clear purpose. As a great philosophy states, Grab sought East Asia forward by creating economic empowerment for everyone. With that, we have come to the end of our presentations. Thank you for attention. Thank you.